patient comes to me and all modalities of treatment like physiotherapy, tablets, joint vitamins, intra-articular injections, everything fail, then the patient is taken for knee replacement. Knee replacement, I educate the patient before surgery so as to what it is and what they can expect. So they are asked to do a battery of blood tests. They are seen by physician, they are seen by the anesthetist and the cardiologist, and once everybody gives a fitness, then the patient is taken up for surgery. On the day of surgery, spinal anesthesia or epidural anesthesia is given to the patient as deemed by my anesthetist, and the patient undergoes the surgery. The surgery takes around about 45 minutes of duration, and after 45 minutes the patient is back in his room with his relatives and he is made to feel comfortable. Once the patient is comfortable, I advise him to start doing his exercises. So he starts moving his ankles, his toes, then his knees, and starts strengthening all his muscles. And once the patient is very comfortable and he's completely pain free, then I start making the patient to walk. So this happens within the first 24 hours after the surgery, and the patient is in the hospital for around about 4 days or maximum of 5 days after surgery. So during this time, the patient is made to walk, he's made to climb steps, he's made to go use the western toilet, and he's asked to do all this on his own by using just a walker for support. And once he's able to do all this, he's discharged. And after discharge, I don't leave the patient alone. My team of physiotherapists, one of them go and visit these patients at home, and they educate him and teach him all the exercises that he has to do daily, so that his daily day-to-day activities become very, very comfortable, wherein he is able to go to the bathroom and come back, he is able to climb a few steps, and he is able to do everything on his own. Once he is very, very comfortable, then we start doing more rigorous exercises, and by a month's time, my patients, all my replacement patients, the minimum that they have to do is walk a kilometer, climb at least one fleet of stairs, at least one floor, and they are advised to cycle at least for 20 to 30 minutes in a day. These are the basic exercises that they have to do on a daily basis for the rest of their lives. If they are able to do more, they are more than welcome to, and after all this, they start living a life which they were used to 10 years prior to having the knee pain. So they start feeling younger, they start feeling stronger, and they start feeling very, very comfortable. So I have huge number of success stories of patients after replacement, and they are very, very comfortable, and they are very thankful after going pain-free and problem-free knee replacement surgery.